Blackrock, Bitcoin, Binance, and of course, Voyager versus the SEC. So much has happened this morning. You guys are never going to believe it. Welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto and NFTs every day. Let's get it, babes. Bitcoin has been in a really tight consolidation range between approximately $25,000 and $23,000. And I talked to you guys yesterday about being super careful with the markets because things were looking a little bit weak on the daily chart. But here's what happened this morning. This is the Bitcoin daily chart, but yesterday we had a pretty gnarly move from 24.6 to approximately 23. And even though this is a pretty minuscule move, it's a bit disturbing because this is what happened with Binance, or this is what is speculated to happen to the Bitcoin market with Binance. This is going to be directly from the Binance Twitter page, and you guys can go ahead and verify this as well. Our team identified a small number of Australian users who were incorrectly classified as wholesale investors on Binance. As per Australian regulation, we were required to inform these users and close any of their own derivative positions with immediate effect. We have already contacted all impacted users and will fully compensate them for their losses incurred while trading derivatives on Binance. Basically, this group of users was using leverage to trade on Binance, which isn't uncommon. But apparently in Australia, there's different laws that allow certain groups of people to have access to certain groups of traditional financial products. And a lot of times when people are using leverage, it could cause a lot of market volatility depending on how big their position size was. And that is one of the rumors as to why Bitcoin dropped. Personally, I think that it was a technical move, but stuff like this and all the FUD, all the drama, especially on crypto Twitter, can impact the market as well. So did Binance do anything wrong? I'm not sure. They do have to comply with local laws and regulations wherever they do decide to do business. But of course, crypto Twitter is going absolutely wild. On the 45-minute chart, it looks like the move was only like 2.46%. And this also confirms to me that we are still in a crypto bear market because a 2.46 drop wouldn't have been anything in a bull run. However, choices. Now we have to talk about the SEC and Voyager users because the SEC literally will not let retail have anything. We all know that Binance US won the bid to acquire Voyager. Voyager filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and I was one of the users that had funds there. Good thing it wasn't a whole lot, but it was still not a fun thing. And the SEC just came out and said, we don't know if we want you to purchase Voyager. Straight from the CoinDesk article. SEC objects to Binance US $1 billion Voyager deal alleging sale of unregistered securities. Federal and New York regulators object to a $1 billion deal they say may be unlawful and discriminatory as they examine Voyager's VGX. So not only did the SEC not do their job in protecting retail from the crypto contagion, but now they want to stop the sale of Voyager to Binance US, where basically all the users that were impacted were getting about 70% back, I believe, which is pretty much unheard of in the crypto industry. Generally, if you keep your cryptocurrency on an exchange and it goes down, you get nothing back. So I'm not with this. I don't support the SEC in any way, shape, or form, and I do think that this is predatory behavior. Let the deal go through and let retail get their money back. And of course, we have to talk about the disgusting practices of Blackrock. You all know what Blackrock has done. They bought a bunch of US property up. They have been absolutely terrible to lower middle class Americans, middle class, and the poor of us. And they want to start a metaverse style ETF. The top 5 companies that are included in the holdings are Meta, formerly known as Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, NetEase, and Roblox. So my issue with this is we still don't have a Bitcoin ETF, but we have people like BlackRock or predatory folks like BlackRock that are basically able to do whatever it is that they want to do because they have money. Will you be trading this BlackRock metaverse style fund? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.